Welcome to this Skill Builder at a Glance tutorial on academic writing style. Good academic writing can help you present your knowledge and understanding, arguments and ideas convincingly and show your critical mind at work. But what does it look like? Well, it isn't some kind of special language. It consists simply of clear, grammatically correct English enhanced by the specific terminology of your subject. It also has some additional characteristics which are illustrated on the following slides. You may wish to pause each one to consider the examples in more detail. With some exceptions, such as reflective writing, academic writing uses the third person, this essay will show, rather than I will show, to convey objectivity. It is also slightly formal, avoiding slang, jargon and contractions, namely using does not rather than doesn't. Academic writing is clear and succinct, enabling you to make yourself understood as clearly as possible in as few words as possible. Being cost-effective with your use of words will allow you to include more evidence, analysis and information within the allocated word count of your assignment. Writing precisely and explicitly is also important, as it allows the reader to flow from point to point without stopping to ask, what do they mean by that? An element of tentativeness is also advisable to show an awareness that, in most subjects, very little can be said to be proven. Most importantly, academic writing is critical writing, in that whilst it may be easier to describe the concepts, arguments, theories and processes discussed in your essay, your lecturer is most interested in your understanding, analysis and evaluation of them. Demonstrating that critical thinking, even with simple terms such as the author argues convincingly that, lies at the heart of all good academic writing. To sum up, academic writing style is clear, succinct, formal, objective, precise, explicit, tentative, and critical. Examples of all these characteristics can be found on www.phrasebank.manchester.ac.uk. For further academic skills resources or to book an appointment with an SAS advisor, please go to www.kent.ac.uk/SAS or email us at sas@kent.ac.uk. Thank you.